Okay, and a quick tour for the hangar of the H4 Hercules. Here it is. C1 Robin. Several engines. The twin Cyclone. Some inventions of Leonardo. Thank you, Wright brothers, for everything. So much. The spirit of San Luis. I see the periscope there. You see it? The periscope above the window. Let's see if it's the 1927 version without the stickers when it came back the plane. Look inside the cockpit of the Spirit of St. Louis. There's the periscope, tiny space, the chair.
By the way, all of the aircraft that I'm showing you today are on.
Curtis Jenny, also in Flight Simulator. So with Camel, a huge Hercules. It's really massive. There we have a stagger wing. This plane is precious, really. An A4. Really nice. Well, way Cobra. Carolina. Graham Goose. It's really nice. Looks like an extra Hanley Raven. Okay, aerobatic, different plane. I've also some helicopters up there. Microjet. Oh. Nice model. There's a V-tail Bonanza down there, up there. Another spraying helicopter. Yak 50. Now some part of the event, the final part of the event will be held here. An F-100 Super Sabre. The Douglas DC-3. This one is precious. Polished metal. Really amazing. This one is a rare one. Check this cover, this fanning of the landing gear. Kurdish Falcon. Oh, I didn't remember. I've also here. So sometimes I confuse them. Okay. Pending restoration. an F-86H Sabre with curious, interesting. It's not 6 machine guns. On this side, at least, it looks like a 20mm cannon. So it has 2 cannons. The H version. Yes, it looks like it has 2 cannons. I don't remember that. Instead of 6 machine guns. So nice model of the Hercules. You see it up there every time. L4 Grasshopper, T-34 Mentor. Valiant. This is very strange, rare model. This is Texan. Archil PT-19. Ryan PT-22. A nice model of the P-47 with the machine guns open. Whoa, how much load. What is this plane? N3 Canary. More than 30 years studying aviation and still discovering new planes. It happens. There you see the Hercules. It's massive, really massive. Now you see how massive it is. Radio equipment and an Auster. Also an Auster there. This one is ours. Super Saita. Oh, it's the Saita. It's a 200. The Super Saita is the H8 220. A MiG-15 in trainer version. The Quickie. It is a very strange plane. Look at its configuration. It's like it's a canard. It's a has no tail, no tiger. Okay, looks like a Vans. That's the Vans RF8. This looks nice. The Thunderstreak. The Pitts S1 it's very small. I'm that tall. I arrive at the height of the upper wing. So it's been known as a very nervous plane. Air Campier, another plane that I don't know nothing about it. Is this the radiator? Curious. This looks like a Waco, but it's a Stearman. It's a strange plane. One moment. The Fury. The Fury was like, it's very similar to the Sabre, but it was a version to fly in a carrier, to operate in a carrier. There up you see how massive. I go behind to see if I can make a picture. That's 4 engines, maybe. Now we have here some very nice plane, Model E Sportster. It's very well maintained, shiny, looks gorgeous, really. And we have here the Messerschmitt 262 with rockets in its wooden rails. Also, you see how massive is the Hercules beside of the Mi-62, the Mi-262. The engine, one of the first rockets for 30mm cannons. It has a shape like a shark when you look at it from ahead. It's like looks like a shark. It's a very intriguing way of looking. Also on its side, Focke-Wulf 109, no 109, no, the 190. Let's take one more pic. The slow eagle Phantom Fugger, the A7 Corsair 2. I have here a MiG-17. Also has an intriguing nose with a 27mm and a 37mm cannon. Oh, a Sky Raider with the version with 3 people on board. Let's see a little bit more of the Corsair. An F-105 Thunder Chief. No. Yes, a Thunder Chief. It's curious because it has several. It's a wheel whistle, so it attacks. It attacked air defenses, and it has also. This plane has 1.5 kills of a MiG-17. It's curious. And here we can see the 20mm cannon. Here we have an A26 Invader. What's that? Is that a camera? Maybe. The gun sight. The gun sight. Curious. The bombing gun sight. Nice. Pin up. And that's it. This part of the museum. That's all.